Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect VT markets to TradingView in 2026. For that, first of all, simply open your web browser. Over here in the search bar of it, simply search for tradingview.com. Now once you are here on tradingview.com, click on this products option that you see here on the top. It is going to launch any of the default charts in front of you. As you can see, it has opened the chart of BTC. You can also use the search bar here right next to it, and then you can search for any of the symbols of any of the forex pairs or cryptocurrencies or indices over here. For example, let's say I want to launch the chart of gold. So I'm going to be typing XAU USD here in the search bar. When it shows you the list of gold, you just have to click on the option of launch chart right next to any of the pairs that you see here. So it is going to open the chart of it in front of you just like so. So the chart actually doesn't matter here. We just have to come here on this particular chart analysis page and that's it. So here in the bottom left hand corner, you will see the option of trading panel. When you click on it, it will show you the list of basically 8 brokers in front of you. So click on the option of show all brokers so that it could show you the list of all of the brokers which can be easily connected with TradingView. Now, since we want to connect VT markets, you can either simply hover over to the icon and look for VT markets here in this list, or you can directly use the search bar on the top right hand corner. Then you can search for VT markets. Now, after searching for VT markets, if you are able to find its icon over here, you just have to click on it and click on the option of connect. After the authentication, you will be able to connect your VT markets account with TradingView. But as you can see, this particular option is not available in my account or in my region. So if that's the case with you as well, what you can do is you can use VT markets and TradingView simultaneously. So you need to simply open a new tab and search for btmarkets.com. Over here, click on the option of login on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now you need to provide your VT markets login credentials like your email address and your password, and then you can basically open the chart as you have opened it here in TradingView. So you can open the chart of gold here in VT markets. After that, you can use TradingView for analyzing your charts with the help of these tools that are available here in the left hand side. Then when you find your trades, you can punch your orders here on VT markets. So with this way, you will be able to use VT markets and TradingView together. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.